What does the future of medicine look like? Probably like this. MARIS Glass is a pair of smart glasses for doctors and hospital staff, facilitating the transfer of knowledge, minimizing workloads, and enabling contactless examinations. The glasses are equipped with an HD camera and microphone as well as an integrated viewer. The smart glasses connect to the hospital's wireless LAN or the mobile phone network wherever you may be. With MARIS Glass, wearers can access paperless information about the patient and also issue instructions that are documented directly in the hospital information system. This means that the system can be easily integrated into existing processes, making them more efficient. For example, a discussion between the treating doctor and chief doctor when admitting a patient to the emergency room. The era of telephone consultations is over. The chief doctor sits at their computer and offers the same support that they would on-site and can even mark specific areas. This ensures higher quality patient assessments and thus faster further treatment. The same applies to operations. Previously, the specialist had to be in the room to support the surgeon. With MARIS Glass, they can connect from anywhere and offer up their expertise. MARIS Glass is even setting new standards for training. It is just as easy to transmit a procedure to a lecture hall as it is to a home office. Shorter channels, reduced contact, and information transmitted in real time. Dare to look to the future through MARIS Glass.